Hi everyone! You are watching the How to by Axon, a series of practical tech tips from our software engineers on how to make your IT product sharper for competitors and better for customers. My name is Alina, and now we're gonna talk about implementing ChatGPT into your software solution. Integrating ChatGPT into your software solution empowers your application with advanced natural language processing capabilities, enabling more sophisticated and human-like interactions with users. ChatGPT can handle a variety of tasks such as answering queries, providing recommendations, and automating processes, saving both time and resources. The integration also future-proofs your software by incorporating cutting-edge AI technology, allowing you to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. To explore the step-by-step ChatGPT integration flow, we invite you to take a look at our article. You'll find practical tips on how to add a layer of intelligence and efficiency to your software, enhancing its value proposition and competitiveness. Read and take your software development to new heights.